sweethearts, welcome to the tutorial for I Want You Back by Tony Succar. This is original from Jackson 5 with a nice little Latin feel, so let's get started. So first we're going to start with the chorus. I'm going to show this facing you first. We're going to start with the right foot. Basic salsa step, front and back. So we go front and back. Then we go side to side, side and side. Then we're going to go right starts, right starts. And it goes right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3, again, left, 2, 3, right, 2, 3. And there's a little turn, half turn, half turn, half turn, half turn. So we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, left foot, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's see it facing the front. Basic salsa, front and back. Then side, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right foot, 1, 2, half turn, left foot, 1, 2, half turn, left foot leads, 1, 2, half turn, 1, 2, half turn. Now on that chorus salsa step, we're going to add some arms. We start with basic to the front, basic salsa arms, and as we take the step back, we're going to shimmy side. And as we go side salsa, we go over the head, and then we push it out as we step to the other side. Then we step with the right foot. Right arm goes over the head to the back, no arms, back front, left foot, left arm, over the head to the back, no arms, and front. Now on your way as you're coming back to the front, you can salsa there. It doesn't mean you don't have to use arms, there's just no specific arms. Over the head, free arms there. Let's see it facing the front. We go front, salsa, back, shimmy. To the right, over the head, push away, right foot, right arm, over, back to front, left foot, left arm, over, and back to the front. Now remember on that salsa, you can add a little bit of extra flavor there, especially on the side to side. We can go here, we can add that little hip, and side, hip. You can always add the hips wherever you have time to add them. Next, we're going to see this little bridge between each chorus. We're going to take it up to the front. We're going to go front, double, front, and then back, just the feet, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. And the arms are going to push side to side. To the front we go, double front, back, 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 repeats, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Let's see it facing the front. We go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, front, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great, now we're going to have a little verse, so we go side to side. It's single, double, double, and 4 steps back, behind, back, behind, back, behind, back, with the arms. We go single, double, pushing back, back, 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 1. Good. Let's see it facing the front. We go single, 2, 1 and 2, single, 2, pop, pop, back, 4, 3, 2, with the counts. We go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. All right, the next section is called the triple. We have a little 3-step, 1, 2, 3, hold, 1, 2, 3, hold. With the feet first, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now the arms are nice and sharp. They go out, out, hold, out, out, hold. Put it together, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now the heels are going to go to the corners. We go heel, heel, together, together. One more time, heel, heel, together, together. And then we take it back, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now on those heels, I want a little shimmy there, or whatever you want to do there, but make it fun, right here. Yes, before we take it back, double 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's see it facing the front. Triples. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, heels, and heels, back 4, 4. 3, 2, again, nice and sharp. Back and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. So those are pretty much all the sections. There's not that many sections, they just repeat a lot. So we have that chorus. Front salsa, back, side, push, right foot, right arm, to the front, left foot, left arm, to the front. We have that bridge between the chorus, which goes up, 4, 2, push back, 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. We have that verse to the side, single, double, tap, tap, single, double, 4 salsa back, push, and push, and push, and push. And then we have our triple. 1, 2, hold, 1, 2, hold. Shimmy with the heels, shimmy with the heels, and back, and back, and back, and back. One little tag at the very end. We're going to take it up towards the front one last time. Front, and front. And we're going to hit 3 poses. 1, 2, 3. And any poses you like there. So those are all the section. Let's dance it.